Hello everybody, how are we doing? Welcome to this another session of Galileo Travelport training. You're welcome. Hope you are doing well. Hope you have a lot of questions about on previous class I just took. Okay, thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you for liking and sending message. Thank you very much. Okay, without wasting time, let's go into today's training, today's class. We are in the series of teaching on encoding and decoding. Understand? So today I'm going to be showing us how to encode and decode how to encode and decode country name and code. How to encode and decode country name and code. Country name and code. In case you don't know the country full name, you can decode. In case you don't know the country name, you can encode. Understand how to encode and decode country full name and code. Okay, to do that, the first thing is do dot lima echo. That's encode. Lima encode. Plus lima encode country name. For example, Nigeria, because of Nigeria. As you can see, this is how to encode country name Nigeria. No, this spelling is not correct. Dot lima echo Nigeria. Okay. If there's a mistake in the letters you are typing, the Galileo Travelport will help you to. You see something like this, not in table, because there's a mistake in the name. You will see dot. This not in table. That means anytime you see this not in table, that means there's a code, there's the wrong letters in the typing. So this is how to encode country name Nigeria. This is encoding country / Nigeria. This is the country name. Sorry, this is the country code, and this is the country name. Country name, country code. Another example is dot lima echo. Lima echo become Namibia. As you can see, Namibia. This is the, as you can see, Namibia. Few minutes. Okay, so this is Namibia, and this is Namibia country code, and this is Namibia country name. Another example is dot lima echo Chad. As you can see, this is Chad country code, and this is Chad country name. Another example, dot lima echo Niger. See it brought a similar. This is Niger and this is Nigeria. Dot lima echo Sudan. Because this is Sudan country code and Sudan country name. We are looking for the code. That's why we are putting Sudan here. We understand it. Another example dot. Another example dot. Dot. Lima Echo Egypt. This is Egypt country code and this Egypt country name. We understand it. So this is how to encode. This is how to encode country name. How to decode country name is similar. It's not difficult. That's you know the code, but you don't know the full name. So you do dot Lima Delta decode. This one here is the decode. This is encode. This is the code. So now ng, as you can see, dot Lima Delta US, as you can see, United States dot Lima Delta AE, Arab Emirates, as you can see, dot Lima Delta. You can see all the information is there. Another example dot Lima Delta. Lima Delta NA in Namibia. So you see, very simple how to encode and decode the country name. So the next topic we're going to be doing is how to decode, how to display country name, how to display country name and tax, how to display country name and tax. Let me ignore this. How to display country name and tax. Dot Romeo display. How to display country name and tax. Romeo display, and then the country ng dot Romeo display Nigeria tax TX. Say regional not in table. Okay, let's do for another country dot Romeo display US tax TX. It's not in table. Dot Romeo display UXT US. It's not in table. Okay. Let's go to the next class, which is how to find main city in a particular country, starting with a particular letters. How to find a city in a country starting with a letter, with a particular letter, including their distance to the main airport. We are looking for a city that's close to a particular airport that starts with a particular letters. So what we need to do is Charlie dot. So Charlie the map is going to display map slash IT Italy ALY hyphen start with D. As you can see, this is a map of Italy displaying similar city that's close, starting with this letter D, including the distance to the main airport. You see, this is the distance to the main airport. You see, this is entry again. This is entry again. So okay, let's change it to let's see something. can now choose by maybe clicking this display for me. What this does, what this code does is it helps you to find main cities in a particular country, starting with the letter, including their distance to the main airport. That's what this code does for you. If you want another, start with this, you can do. See, you can start with GGG. You can just look at and just click whatever one you want. As you can see. So that's for that. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you find this video useful for your travel professional. Thank you very much. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all you do. Thank you for liking and loving the video. Thank you for your comments. God bless you. See you next class. Thank you very much.